Assalamu alaikum, you're watching Stories by Sundus and I'm here with a new video. So it was a rainy day when we decided to visit a beach before winter hits us. As you all know, winter brings super boredom in Canada, where most of the time staying indoor is the only way to comfort yourself. So by the start of October, all outdoor activities gets closed for at least 6 months. I know this is really difficult. With the closing of summer season, we are trying to entertain ourselves as much as possible with the sunny weathers. We searched and found that Port Elgin beach is the safest and have lower water levels. So we decided to go over there. We arranged some party stuff, packed our barbecue grills and other food items. It was a 2-hour drive from Cambridge to Port Elgin. On our way, we passed by through a village called Wellington. It was a very beautiful village. We saw there very interesting things. We saw Orthodox Christians. They were dressed in their formal religious coats, skirts and aprons with long black hats. I felt that I was in a movie scene, in an old movie scene where we see these Orthodox Christians dressed up in their cultural dresses. It was really interesting looking at them. They were riding in their horse carriages, small horse carriages, and honestly their horses were also very different. We were just laughing the way horses were running with their carriages. Our byway was scenic, lush green meadows all around. And I cannot stop myself saying Subhanallah whenever I see this much nature made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We reached to Port Elgin by around 1 p.m. where we stayed there for 4 hours. Cooking was not allowed on the beach, so we did barbecue in a parking lot, and that was very difficult for me. I was super tired picking up things, packing up in the car. Allahu Akbar. That was really difficult. I got so tired, but after when we had lunch, we made a barbecue tikka, we made barbecue seekh kebabs. They were so delicious. We bought marinated meat to barbecue. So after we had lunch, we felt a bit relaxed and we had our tea while gazing at the sun near the lakeshore. Now it was evening and we were ready to go home. We alhamdulillah enjoyed a lot over there. It was a fun day that was much needed for us after super hectic long working days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please stay tuned for the next videos. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.